Welcome friends, welcome back to my another clean planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you know I am Dangul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Thursday 4 August 2022. Now morning time, this Thursday morning I will try to remove polluted garbage, all plastic from a new natural place in our region. Friends, you can see behind my back natural place. Actually it is a green place, green nature. Now I will try to remove polluted garbage or plastic from this green nature, beautiful natural place, friend. Really beautiful green place, friends. This morning I visiting this place, I working here and I saw here some old plastic, many old plastic. So now I collect the polluted garbage and old plastic from here and threw them in the dustbin. So friends, let's go, cleaning mission is start now, just action. Friends, and a bag in my hand, big bag. Now I collect polluted garbage, old plastic from here. Friends, first I saw here uh, old plastic is stuck in green nature. So I collected this old plastic from this green nature. Friends, I collected this old plastic from this green nature. One more old plastic, big and old plastic is stuck in green nature. Another plastic is stuck in green nature, very old. So I collected this very old plastic, friends. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন very dirty plastic. One more plastic here. Friends, beautiful green place I saw here. Flowers, white flowers, really beautiful. Friends, I saw here many old and big plastic stuck in green nature. So I collect the big plastic from here. Friends, really dirty and big plastic. This is a very bad for our green nature. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নেব। Big plastic. Friends, big plastic. I collected this plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another plastic product here. So I collected this all plastic product from here. One more plastic is stuck in green nature. Friends, beautiful green place, green nature, flower. This plastic is really very bad for this green nature. So I collected this plastic from here. এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করে নেব। Friends, really very bad for our green nature, this old plastic. So I collected this old plastic from here. Very dirty and polluted old plastic. I collected another old plastic here. Really very dirty, polluted plastic. Friends, another plastic is taken green nature. So I collected this all polluted plastic from here. Friends, today at first I first time I cleaning this place. For the first time I cleaning this natural place in our region. Friends, very old plastic. Friends, many old and big plastic here. I collected old plastic from this green nature. Really very beautiful natural place in our region. Another plastic here. Another plastic. One more plastic. Another plastic. Friends, many old plastic I collected from here. Friends, a beautiful green place, green nature. Another plastic here, old plastic stuck in green nature and soil. I collected this old plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন, very old polluted plastic. Friends, I saw here one plastic, big plastic, so I collected this plastic from here. One more plastic. আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন, friends, I think this green nature is wealth of our world. Green nature আমাদের পৃথিবীর সম্পদ. So I always try to save the green nature. Another plastic is stuck in green nature. Oh, very old plastic. I collected this plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। One more plastic product here. Beautiful flowers of green nature. সবুজ প্রকৃতির ফুল, plastic product. One more plastic stuck in green nature and newspapers. এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, this is a green nature, green place in our region. I collected many old plastic, polluted plastic, big old plastic from this green nature. Friends, you can see this plastic bag, garbage bag, full in bag. Bagটি প্রায় ভরে গিয়েছে। I collected many old plastic from here, friends. You can see, friends. Now stop this bag because my cleaning mission finished now. Bagটি আমি এখন বন্ধ করব। Friends, stop this bag. Now this bag threw in a dustbin. Let's go, friends. This garbage bag, I collected many old and polluted plastic garbage from this green place. Let's go, friends. I threw this garbage bag in the dustbin. Friends, this our area's dustbin. I threw this garbage bag, big garbage bag in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend. This was my nature cleaning mission in the Thursday morning.